So, your best friend switched schools. No problem. Just grab your official best friend emergency kit. Let's see what we got here. A walkie-talkie. CC for Sunny. CC for Sunny. Anyone eyes on Sunny? What's your 20? These aren't working anymore. Framed selfie. Love this one. Matching friendship bracelets. A big bag of marshmallows. Assuring without emotional support. Yep. Still feels weird without her, but I'm prepared. Oh! She loved to play pranks on me. New school, new classes, new teachers, new everything, right? Today we're talking about something I know hits home. What if your best friend ends up in another school this year? Yup, 1 minute you're goofing off at recess, and the next, poof, they're eating lunch somewhere else. But don't worry, my friends. Just because you're not in the same hallway doesn't mean the friendship is over. This episode is all about staying close, even when life sends you to different classrooms. I got a message from someone named Tate. Let's take a look. Hey, Chill Charlie. My best friend just moved to a different school. I feel really sad and kinda lost without him. What do I do now? Tate, that's tough. Losing your daily buddy feels like dropping your favorite ice cream on hot pavement. Been there. See, Tate, when surfers hit the waves, they don't always ride the same one. Sometimes your bestie's wave takes them in another direction. But here's the cool part. You're still in the same ocean. You can still wave at each other, share stories, and cheer each other on. When my bestie Sunny moved away, I felt really awkward at lunch. I didn't even know where to sit. But one day I smiled at a kid sitting near me. We found out we both liked pineapple on pizza. And boom, new friend. I didn't mean I forgot Sunny. It just meant there was room in my world for someone new. So Tate, and anyone else missing a friend, remember this. Friendships don't disappear just because you're not in the same class or school. You can still text, video call, even write old school letters. And hey, there are new friends waiting for you too. Missing someone just means they mattered. But don't forget, you matter too. So keep your heart open, catch new waves. New friends don't replace the old ones. They just add to your crew. Got something on your mind? Message me, just like Kate did. You might see it in a future episode. And remember, turn that frown upside down.
Chill, Charlie, rolling wave surfing on the grass. Football, footwork, yeah, your LD's the best. Teachers, kids, kindness always on the task. Capture their spreading love, that's his only quest.